Yeah, a little yellow lighting, eh? You want me to turn off the lights?
No, it's good. It's good. Lighting.
What's going on, guys? Here at Fortune Co. We got some new fucking specialties. I mean, we got some new mods for the GT350. Stay tuned for the
Shelby,
install.
you dumb fuck.
A retake.
No, we should include that.
Yeah.
Face first.
Okay, seriously, let's go.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Here at Fortune Co. We got some new mods for the GT350.
My god, I said Shelby!
Bro.
No one cares. People are gonna think the GT350 is some fucking high-end day model that you work.
Alright, bro, let's redo this.
Let's go.
Welcome to the channel, guys. Fortune Co. here. No, that's not my name.
Jesus, okay. Okay.
Yo, welcome to the channel, boys. Here at Fortune Co. Fuck. Alright. Don't put that in. Welcome to the channel, guys. Here on the Fortune Co. channel, we got some new mods for the Shelby. We got some stainless work headers and came with cats, but we don't need those. So we're gonna get rid of those and include everything else. Boost Theory is gonna vamp up the exhaust, make sure it's mint. Stay tuned, follow him on Instagram at Boost Theory. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It's a great fucking channel, has some great car content, and like this video if you like unwrapping motherfucking presents for your vehicle. Here we have a regular key, stainless key. It's great for opening boxes when you can't find the knife. Let's give it a go.
Yo, where's my helmet at?
All right. You want the helmet off?
Not right now.
All right, guys. First box. Let's check it out. Ooh, already peeped the piping. Ooh, got some mandrel bends. The phase on the opening. What else we got here? We got flex pipes, because you know all the flexing the exhaust does. Shout out to Vibrant Performance for giving us these awesome steel clamps. Here we have the cats, but they don't matter because they're not going on. Straight pipe, California edition. Here we got some more attachment pieces to complete the rest of the exhaust. Just to give you guys an idea of what it would look like. Essentially here we got a photo of said headers, the attachment pipes, and then the bend to meet the rest. Of course, all the instructions comes with the O2 sensors and whatnot. Even got a Stainless Works thing, so shout out to Stainless Works for all this great shit. And let's go and open up the final box here. Sponsored, even though they didn't sponsor us, they will eventually. Stainless Works. If you need to fab up an exhaust for a GTR. Something else like unboxing car mods in the kitchen, because why not?
Yeah, you gotta cook it up in the kitchen, dude.
Cook it up in the kitchen.
We're gonna throw these in the oven after.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna powder coat them. Stay tuned for a DIY powder coating video. Yeah, sure. All right, boys, here we go. Bam, 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 some stainless work headers. Pretty light, crazy quality. Look at them welds. Oh yeah, nothing like hitting us up with the custom engraving, badging, so we know. Since no one's ever gonna see these, might as well let people see them on right here, right now. Crazy stuff, guys. Cool, cool, cool. Super hype, you know? Let's go check out the other one. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's some crazy work, boys. Again, super sick stuff. Look at the finish on this, welds and everything.
Why are you showing me the same car?
So it's the left side, dude. Left and right.
It's different, bro.
Yeah, it's different. I have two headers.
Whoa!
That's a V8, bro. V8.
So much how much power is it gonna be?
They claim 22 wheel. About 25 rear wheel torque. So hopefully we can get the Mustang at 500 to the rear tire on some 94 pump gas. So let's shout out to Lung Tuning, see if they should be able to hook us up and give us that custom remote tune, hopefully. I'm not a big fan of e-tunes, guys. Feel like they're just too generic and they don't really help potential, you know, unlock your vehicle's potential. So if you ever can, get in touch with a tuner and make that shit happen and shoot for the stars, you know? I've got the whole part number booklet here for headers. on a Cadillac CTS-V, or for your Corvettes or your El Caminos, hit us up in the comments if you need help getting the right part numbers for your car. No,
that's going in, bro. That's going in too.
Oh, bro, I literally have all the part numbers, even and US prices.
You're great. You want to be a salesman for them for free?
Yeah, bro.
Look at these stickers. Wow, you gonna put this on your car, dude?
I don't know. I'm not a sticker guy.
You're not a sticker guy?
I'm not. Maybe I'll put one on.
If they sponsor it.
Sticker bomb it. Yeah, Stainless Works, if you guys are watching this.
Thank you for the amazing product. Thanks for the good stuff. And yeah, hopefully we can maybe get some new stuff from you guys in the future. But I doubt it since I only have one car. Yours are stainless?
Dude, that looks pretty good. You just wrapped that. Alright, we're not in Toronto, man. Come on.
We're in Lancaster. Here,
yeah,
we're the retirement people.
It's like the whitest of the white, where the whitest of the white people live.
We're not that white here.
Yeah, you are.
Bro, you're eating
you guys are
hummus. So guys, we gotta put everything back in the boxes because in about 2 months or so when the snow goes away, we bring out the cars because I don't feel like towing it because you can never trust the tow truck driver. But if you're a tow truck driver and you want to hook up some homies, for sure, hit us up in the comments.
I got $5.
You got a tow truck?
No, I got $5.
Shout out to the GTR owner with $5 left in his pocket after the payments, bro. All right, boys, let's put everything back, and we'll catch you later in these series. And we definitely got more mods to come. Peace.
That's where it gets spooky, right? Can do thousands of years of innovation very, very quickly.
Niggas give me the cold shoulder, I can speak for myself. So I keep a hot waist and alligator the belt. Ain't got a belt with the holster, I ain't playing.